up, beautiful babes? Hello, good afternoon. My first time hitting the camera, which I'm not really hitting the camera yet because I just woke up at 1:30. Actually, that wasn't the first time I woke up. It's been a really crazy morning. Our brand new air we got installed last year was acting so crazy yesterday. It was so hot in this house that after I finished whatever I was doing on yesterday, I could not do anything else. I was just out of it. It really had me like on the blink. But anyway, today morning started with the AC guys coming supposedly around 7:30. Mike, of course, had to go hit his job site. Maddie was not here, so it left me kind of like having to wake up a little bit earlier than I usually do because I didn't technically lay down until 3:30 a.m. So getting up at 7:30 was like, whoa, a stretch. But I did it. But he wasn't here. He didn't show up probably until after 9 o'clock. So anywho, we do have air. It's still so hot outside that it's not really like a refrigerator like it usually is. But we are getting through this. Okay. So right now, I got to do house stuff, like pay some bills and stuff like that. And I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. Okay. Anywho, I'll see y'all then. I hope y'all are doing great. Yeah, I hope you are. And if you are, let me know by saying something in the comments. Introduce yourself in the comments. Let me know who you are. I'm glad y'all are hanging out on the vlog channel. Great to have you over here. I'm trying to get in here as much as I can just to keep y'all updated. So glad to have you. All right. I'll see you in a minute. Hey, beautiful babes. Happy Friday. Yes, it is. Listen, today I'm just vlogging on my phone, so excuse the quality. I don't know how it looks. My very first time doing this on my new iPhone Pro Max 13. If you did not know, yeah, I switched over a couple weeks ago. But anyway, this morning, the power is going to be out for a little while because we're getting our new box put in. So I just wanted to check in with y'all, and I won't be doing much of work today because I won't have any lights, but probably for about 3-4 hours. I don't know. But anyway, I will check with y'all in a little bit. Just sitting here in the living room, got everything I need right here. I'm squatting on the sofa, and this is going to be my spot until everything is done. Mike's in with the contractors right now, so hey, I'm just gonna chillax and do what I do and sit here and probably take another nap because it's right after 9 o'clock, I believe, something like that. So it's early, and Maddie doesn't get home until probably about 1:30, something to 2, depending on what she's doing. It's Friday, so who knows? She may be out doing something else when she gets off work. But anywho, I am again just chilling. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Take care, and I'll let y'all know how it goes. Mwah. All right, beautiful babes, it's the end of the day. The electrician has left and did a fabulous job. Y'all remember the old fuse boxes, right? That's what this house had. So we have gotten in our new one. I'm gonna show it to you. It's in my little closet in the bedroom, so I'll show that to you. But I ain't did nothing all day, really. I've just been out of it. Mainly, I don't know why y'all so close. I guess I didn't want y'all to see the junk everywhere. But anywho, let's head to the bedroom and check that out, okay? That's Mike. Here watching TV. Monday, 3 at-home COVID tests will be available at all. Okay, yeah. This is my closet. A lot less congested than it normally is because of the work had to get done. But this is the box. Yeah. Bam. We are updated now, y'all. We in the deal. But he's gonna come back to go ahead and sand this out. And I guess I'm gonna go ahead and use my gray paint and just paint the wall once he finishes that. And we have our new box. I'm so excited. And hopefully he's gonna label everything, because I don't know what is what and who is who up in here at all. So that's that, and got that done. But I'll pop his card on the screen, y'all, and that is the deal. So
while clearing, I'm gonna fix that ceiling when I had the heater leaking.
oh yeah, we gotta fix the ceiling here, so Mike is gonna do that. And then he said I can think about what I want to do with the extra space, since this is open and we're probably not gonna put it back like it was. So maybe I can have more room for clothes, who knows. But anywho, that is that on that. And I am out of here. This is the end of this couple of days of stuff going on. That's about it. But today I didn't do anything because the power was out about 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours, I would say. And once it came back on, I was just too doggone lazy, because I took me a nap. I got in the living room, stretched out on the recliner, and baby, that was the end of that story. And it really was the all-day process. They got here again close to 9 o'clock and didn't finish until about 30 minutes ago, which was about 5:30. So anyhow, that's it, and I'm out. And I thank y'all so much for hanging out with me with all of these little home projects. It's really taken a toll on me. I'm super exhausted just by sometimes waiting around for folks to finish up what they got to do, because I couldn't do anything. I can't record, and there's banging and hammering and drilling and all that stuff going on. So anyway, y'all know how it goes. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care. Mwah.